and welcome back to Boundary Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2026 Ford Transit cargo van. First of all, up front underneath the hood you have a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Of course, you got that front Ford logo on the grille, and you do have parking sensors that go all the way along the front, as you can see right there. As you move on to the sides, you got the 16-inch wheels. You have access to your rear storage on the side from the passenger side. Simply slide the door open, and then you have full access inside here. You can close the door all the way to keep it from sliding back on you. Then, as you move along the back of the vehicle here, on the back, you got both of your doors and backup parking sensors that go along the bottom. You've got your Transit 250 logo with the all-wheel drive to the left. To open it up, you got the handle on the right. Swing that open, you can lock it into place. You got lock controls on the insides of your doors, and then you have the handle on the left-hand side on the inside here. Swing that open, and again, you've got your lock controls. You can see the full inside of the vehicle through here. Lots of headspace all the way up, and plenty of ways you can adjust and make this more customized to you and your needs. Swing it closed on each side, and then we can move along to the inside. So of course you don't have access to a door on this side as it is on the passenger side. Instead, you do have the option for the key lock on the door. This unit does of course come with the controls on the remote itself. Inside the door there's lots of storage. Got your little handhold up top, then you've got your power window controls and your power locks. Lots of storage that goes all the way through here. Then taking a look inside, you of course have two seats. Driver's side has a nice little armrest, and then you have your adjustments that are manual for the seats on the sides and then down on the bottom. To the left of the steering wheel, you got two different cup holders, one on top, one on bottom. Controls here for both the dash brightness and for your headlamps. And then for your side mirrors, you've got your parking brake down below. Stepping up here, taking a look at your steering wheel. Left-hand side, you got controls there for your volume and hands-free communications, as well as for your adaptive cruise control. Then up top is the controls for the dash display and more of the hands-free communication and radio. Plenty of storage goes all the way across the front up top here. Of course, you've got those power adapters on the driver's side. In the middle here is your infotainment display screen. So this is where you access much of your information about your daily driving experience. Right now in the home screen, you have access to your audio and your phone connection. You can go into settings here. Then you can access everything from radio, phones, display, connectivity, valet mode, mobile apps, and vehicle hotspot. Then in features, you have access to your drive modes, driver's assistance, and the owner's manual. And then in apps, again, you can further customize this through the Find mobile apps. For now, it comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Stingray Karaoke, YouTube, and your mobile apps help. Along the bottom, you have controls there for your climate control settings, which you also have controls up top if you prefer to have access to that. You do have full AC in this particular unit through both the front and the back. Down below, you have your volume controls, and then you have controls like your max heat and parking assistance, 4-ways, charger adapters, and more cup holder storage. On the right-hand side, glove box down below. Thanks again, folks, for coming with us on this full video tour for this 2026 Ford Transit cargo van. It is located here at 2502 50th Ave in the border city of Lloydminster, Alberta, and we'll see you in our next video.